Hello everyone, so I just bought myself another game, and I think most of y'all can already tell what it is. It's a Scribblenauts game, and it comes with 2 games on it for the Nintendo DS. I got this on eBay and it just came in today. And it is brand new, still sealed. You can see that was the old price tag right there. I actually did pay around that much. I think I paid a little bit less, if I remember. You can see it comes with the first Scribblenauts game and Super Scribblenauts. I have played the first one before, but I have not played the second one. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, there's the cartridge. It says Scribblenauts Collection. Let's see what comes in here. Alright, first off, we have, of course, the instruction booklet. One of the things that I miss in all the newer games. And, of course, the health and safety booklet and the Nintendo Wi-Fi connection booklet. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.